think I'm fine to be honest.
Should I keep her tick, bro? Should I keep her tick?
I'm keeping this in the video, by the way. I'm keeping this in the video. I'm keeping this shit in the video. Nick, full ass cheeks. Yo, check her dicks. Bro, it's gonna be the best fucking video, bro. Holy fuck. What the fuck? Sorry, boys. Yo, how's my cam looking? Good looking good?
Yeah, looks good.
Sure. Oh, bro, I hope my voice comes through. I hope audio picks up, bro. Fuck. Yep, camera's good. Yeah. I know, dude. Fuck. Wait, bro. No fucking way, bro.
No, dude.
Oh, you fucking idiot!
It's just on a box. Yeah, no, I don't want them actually opening the investigation.
Fuck, dude.
Oh, I got the crates right there.
Go, Chris? Yeah.
Let's go to the top of this and then we'll hit up the crate.
Yo. Yo, low-key, yeah, good idea. Smart, bro.
I mean, now you look like you work here, so. Yo, look down.
Yo, what? Holy shit.
That's what I'm thinking.
Fuck, I'm so happy y'all came, low-key. Fuck, dude.
We climbed that bridge. This is way
Holy fuck.
I hope you got that thing tight. I hope you got that thing tight, bro.
Yeah, I do.
I need to bring my phone with me. I can't be trusted around.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video on this. Yeah.
You realize this concrete is drying, eh?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, good idea.
How long you an apprentice?
Are you boys ready for train time? Tell me when you boys are ready, okay?
Yeah, let's go all the way to the top. Let's go to the last one. There's still like 3 more floors. Let's just go take the top.
Yeah, let's go to the top.
It's just gonna be the same thing.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll blur out your face. Don't worry. Yeah, go past this. Who gives a fuck?
There's no railings. It's blocked off.
Oh no, there's more signs up there.
Is this saying that's blocked? You know this reminds me?
Yo, what's up?
One time I was in Toronto, bro.
Yeah?
I got into a residential building. The building just went falling behind someone who went through
Yeah?
Yo, I climbed all the way up to the roof.
No fucking way,
I
bro.
didn't quite get, bro, I was up to the fucking handle. I had to climb like 60 flights of stairs. Oh, dude, come here.
Yo, what's up? Oh shit, that's good idea, good idea.
Hold this ladder, good.
Yeah, got you. Bro, you're tripping as fuck, bro. Yo. Boys. Yeah, go.
No, this is solid. This is solid. This is. You
It's
don't
solid?
have-
Oh yeah, it's stable to the ground. Right.
I hope these construction workers go back to before the
I know. Fuck, dude. Bro, look how fucking. Oh my god, bro. This is peak, bro. This is peak. Fuck, dude. Can we get much higher? Oh my. Okay, he's good. Oh my god. Oh, this is a good pick. Hold on. You guys stay like that? You guys stay like that? Hold on. Hold on, stay still. Yeah. I'm gonna turn my flash on, is that okay?
Who's Connor? Is Connor not coming up? Oh, there he is. Hold on, wait for him.
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna give you guys some hentai stickers after this.
Hell yeah. What's sticker in the crane?
Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Oh, we should check your stickers over there.
West side or east
So
side?
get over here. Yeah, it's a crazy shot. Oh, dude, that's styrofoam.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
That would have been really tight. Oh my god.
Alright, let's check.
Get in.
Yeah, everybody like touch me. Everybody touch. Pause. Alright, is that good?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's tough. Oh
my God.
fuck, bro.
That's tough.
I'm adding that to my
Dude, whoever
story.
goes down the garbage too.
Ooh, hold on. You look photogenic right now. Hold on. Pause. Stay right there.
Yo,
Oh, hold
Snow,
on,
you've
hold
played Dying Light, right? You can jump down those tubes.
Oh yeah, you good. Hold for a few seconds.
Any like lights or any vehicles speeding towards us?
That's actually aesthetic.
Give me.
Yeah. I'll do you too.
No, that's all you.
Go back a bit. Yeah. Alright, there we go. Just go in line like that. Yeah, perfect. And look at the camera. Or like look to the side. Or look down. Like one of you guys look down and one of you guys look to the side, okay?
Look that way?
Yeah. Holy fuck, that's good, bro. I took another picture. Oh my god, bro, that's so perfect. Alright, well, let's say like that. Say like that. Say like that. One more, please, one more. Please. Holy shit, y'all look so good right now. Oh my god, bro. Alright, that's good. Yeah. Good.
Oh my god, that actually does look hard. Yo, come here. I ever tell you about the time I got chased out of an abandoned crib?
No way.
Guys, don't be too loud.
They're good.
Okay. I'm not gonna step on there until you're off, actually. I don't trust that to support two people. I'm sure the fucking construction guys do it all the time, but I'm not a construction guy. I don't make shit. I get paid to do it.
Fuck, one day I'm gonna get, like, popular and get paid to do this shit. On you, hopefully, yeah.
Dude, you gotta go to, like, Ukraine and explore some fucking...
Yeah, Pripyat too? Oh my god, bro.
Pripyat's crazy.
Yeah, Pripyat's crazy, yeah. I'm gonna have to do so much fucking editing, bro. Because, I filmed, like, 3 videos this month.
Oh, you know where you should go once you're able to drive, too?
Yeah?
Or maybe if I'm going there.
Yeah? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know about that. Yeah, dude. I heard about that, bro. I tried to convince to go there.
I was gonna say, you should come with sometime if we're going to Bowmanville. I might have to pay her to visit sometime. Oh, is that true?
No, it's not short. It's fake. Trainer. Wish it was real. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, low key.
No, bro.
I'm kidding. No, I remember last time I saw a fire extinguisher. Some more to school, but this a fire extinguisher.
We gotta go one down.
Oh yeah. Bet, thank you. They call me Snowy. Why? Because I love snow bunnies. Kawasaki. This shit. What the fuck are you doing? You didn't fucking take a big lines, bro. You fucking dumbass. You mean Snowy? Yeah. Yeah, bro. Wait, is that a camera?
Oh, it's brown shoes. That guy was saying the meatball thing. It's brown shoes.
It's not gonna make that thick. It's not gonna make that thick.
Are you still filming?
Yeah, I'm still filming. Dude, is it blue?
Yeah, it's blue.
Okay, that means it's film. I hope it picked up my audio, bro.
Yeah, this is the ground floor. You got waterproof shoes or what?
Fuck. Yeah, dude. Holy shit. Are you boys ready? Bet. Yeah, Snowy. Yeah, I know. I'm locked in, bro. Yeah, I'm chilling right now. That's it. Want to say cheese? Say cheese. I'll censor your name, my bad. What's up, Big L? I bet. Okay, sorry.
I was trying to get you to go home.
Yo, Faye, take a picture.
Yeah, take it.
Got you. Nice. You guys here?
Yeah.
Okay. Fuck yeah, bro. I look, you just turn on my light.
Yeah, just do it.
There we go.
Just for a sec. Just for like a minute or something.
Going to stop? Going to stop?
Wait, give me. Yeah. Okay, you're good.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Fuck,
They
it
have
won't turn
water
off.
bottles in there and shit.
It's not turned off, bro.
Oh fuck. Fucking back the thing. Snap. Oh my god. Give me a sticker. Oh fuck.
Oh, don't go off, bro. Can you block the light? Thank you.
This is so much worse.
Okay, got it.
Dude, now my eyes are adjusted for the light.
Keep going. Yeah, that's my bag.
What's this? Another one. There's acting goodies up here or what?
Check.
It's a garbage bag.
Yeah, it's garbage bag. Who? Yeah, the trucker saw me and then he called the police. It was he came along this road. There's a road over there. Yeah. No, just go away quickly because they'll know immediately. Alright, go. Oh, fuck that. I can't see shit, bro. Hold on. Oh, that's good.
Yo, Snowy, you know what you should do?
Yo, what's up?
You should be one of those guys who climbs those radio towers and replaces the bulb at the top.
Yeah, bro, I saw those videos, dude.
Can we go, bro?
Hopefully my shit doesn't fall off, bro. Imagine.
Dude, that's the end of your fucking phone.
That's the end of my career. The end of some. Alright, go to the left. Oh, I need to be in the middle. I am the main character. I'm just kidding.
Yo, I gotta fucking walk over this fucking void
I'm the
here.
fucking alpha wolf.
I'm the. Are you boys ready?
Walk over this fucking void
Yeah,
right here, huh?
Wait, you say void?
Void. That's mainstream.
Just make sure you don't bump me, bro. I'm about to fucking. I'm so scared.
Yo, you're on video, bro. Don't be saying that. It's alright. You're a man of slightly darker complexion. You're good to go. Not me, though.
Oh, fuck, dude.
What's the cutoff point for
I'm gonna take some pics here as well.
Okay, he doesn't see us.
Yeah. Oh, my dumbass took a picture of myself. Oh, bro, I can't see him. He's so fucking black, bro. Get down. Yo, let's get the fuck out of here, okay? Yo, let's go. I don't trust it. Yo, no problem, bro. Yo, my video can't see shit, right? So, as I go down, can I just turn on the flash? Low key.
Dude, as we go... Yo, you're gonna get us caught, but that's all you, bro.
No, I'm kidding. I won't do that.
Okay, thanks, man.
No problem. Oh, I'm kidding, fuck. Scared you, did I?
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, fuck, that was good. Yeah. That was good, boys. That was good. I enjoyed that. Fuck. Yeah. Oh, fuck. I know that hurt. Yep, got you. Ooh, that was good, boys. Cool as fuck. No, I'd say that was successful. Yeah. Oh my god.
They said they heard something
Wait, boys. Yeah. Come on. You guys can go if you want. You guys can go if you want. This one.
Put one on the roof or something.
Yo, boys. Yo, look how bad this was.
Yeah, let me get
This was so bad. Bro, I'm gonna do so much editing, bro. Holy. This thing. Oh, yeah.
How long will it take you to leave?
Fuck, dude. That was good. Yo, L. Nice. L, big L. Yeah. This is a good paranoid, dude. It doesn't matter at this point. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, bro, my account has been dead for so long, dog. I know. I'm disappointed in myself. I'm gonna try to do more snippets, make long form, so I'm gonna make long form videos into snippets.
Yeah, you can do fucking,
Yeah.
some shit, upload them on TikTok instead of doing it.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do now. Yo, nice. My knife. I need my stim. Big L, I need my stim. Give me my stim. Where is it? I need my knife. No, bro. Hey, remember I did this in flip-flops? Down. Ah! Oh, fuck. What are you doing, bro?
Bro, that shit was so fun.
Holy
Hey,
fuck.
W licks today, boys.
W licks.
W licks.
Ice complete. 30 seconds.
Like I said, triple check yourself for ticks.
Yeah, the fucking ticks.
Dude, I had one in my fucking hair earlier. Oh.
Do you see anything on my head?
Here's your, need to stim, bro. Need to stim.
Need stim.
You're so fucking small.
You guys see any stims out? I said not stims.
So scratch out,
I think I'm fine, to be honest.
Should I keep her ticks, bro? Should I keep her ticks?
I'm keeping this in the video, by the way. I'm keeping this in the video. I'm keeping this shit in the video. Full ass cheeks. Yo, check your dicks. Let's go, boys. Stimming. Holy fuck. Bro, this is gonna be the best fucking video, bro. Holy fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on, bro? Whoa, what are you doing, bro? This is so stupid. It smells like ass, bro. It's just ass.
Have fun with the editing, bro. You better get all 3 channels.
I know, bro. We're gonna blur so much fucking stuff, bro. Oh my god, the last video made it even fucking worse.
What the fuck was wrong?
Don't worry about it, bro. Don't worry about it.
I was at work all day, bro. I need a little bit of time to speak out. Make sure to record his license plate, by the way.
Yeah, I'll try to fight it. I'm not gonna show the car. I know how to hide shit. Don't worry. Yeah, dude. Fuck, I'm gonna stop recording here. That was good, boys.
So, Don's on it.
I know. Fuck, dude. Bro, look how fucking. Oh my god, bro. This is peak, bro. This is peak.
Handle. I had to climb like 60 flights of stairs. Oh, dude, come here.
Yo, what's up? Oh shit, that's good idea, good idea. Flying out by the field. Monster flavor.
I also didn't want to go because I just cleaned my car.
This apple tastes like a.
Shut the fuck up.